Alright guys, I got a 2011 Hyundai Accent here. I got the timing cover removed. I'm changing timing belt on this guy. Alright, timing belt should be changed every like 60 to 70,000 miles along with your water pump. But this car, I just want to give you guys some instructions how to change the timing belt. This is a 4-cylinder, very simple guys. I got the cover right there sitting. You see that cover right there? The cover has 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. All right. You're gonna see the timing cover. I took off the timing cover right here. This timing cover comes right off. It's very simple. All right. This timing cover has a bolt here, right? So this bolt right here is all the way down here. You don't have to remove the belts or anything yet. And this bolt is all the way down there. Also this metal piece right here that's hanging. All right, this little guy sits right in front of this and the bolts goes on, all right? Very simple procedure, guys. Just to check it, all you need to do is remove this bolt, and then once this cover is in there, guys, just to show you guys. All right, let me put this back together so we can see it all. All right, it is a little difficult. All right, anyways, I'll get that in there. Right up here, the 2 bolts on the top of this cover. Let me got it. The bolt here and here. Once this cover sits right here, you're gonna have a bolt here and here. Also this little guy right here sits right here, right? I'm sorry, it sits like so, right? The 2 of the bolts for that cover that I have on the floor goes one here, one there, and the 2 bolts, this all sits right here, guys. And the 2 bolts for the timing cover goes together with this metal bracket and this cover together, right? Very simple procedure, guys. There's a timing mark right here. You don't have to bring that up properly, right to the notch, right there. All right, the crank pulley should have a timing mark as well. All right, so you bring this up right to that, mark it, line it, sit it, put the belt on, change the pump, and then put everything back together. Remove this pump. You don't have to remove this little guy, the mount here, but if you need to remove it, but if you don't, you shouldn't have to remove it because the belt or not even the cover goes through it. Bottom, you take off the tire, the cover down below, and the crank pulley you can see from right there. All right, take off the bottom cover and put the belt on, guys. Should be very simple, and make sure you test it. Do not damage the engine, guys. All right, so thank you for watching my video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. And that was just a simple video, just showing you the timing belt on this Hyundai Accent here. All right, so thank you and bye bye.